Greetings, Royal Kingdom players! Welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this method all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited coins and potions in Royal Kingdom using just your phone. No computer, no extra tools, nothing complicated. At first, it sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to try it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did step by step and reveal the results of my test. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I grabbed my phone and opened up the browser. I'm using Chrome, but really, any browser should work. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's linked to Royal Kingdom unlimited coins and potions. The page loaded smoothly. No weird pop-ups, no redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, I was a little surprised. It looked clean, simple, and perfectly normal. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, the site asked how many coins and potions I wanted to add. For this test, I went all out and picked the highest amount, figured I might as well see the full effect. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared, showing each step being completed. Everything was clear, well organized, and easy to follow. Before wrapping up, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it simply with easy instructions, so it wasn't confusing at all. I had already completed that step earlier, so let's skip ahead and check the results. To see if it actually worked, I reopened Royal Kingdom and checked my coins and potions balance, and sure enough, the extra resources were already there. No waiting, no restarting the game, nothing like that. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me by surprise. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.